Good morning, this is Dr. Philip Blumster coming to you from the Ozark Chiropractic Clinic today. It's a kind of a dreary, overcast day. We had some bad storms through the area last night, some tornadoes, hail, winds, so I hope everybody did well and no damage to property, homes, and move forward from there. But today I want to talk about something that I talk with patients and I hear questions about is, when do you need chiropractic care? Now think about that. When do you think you need chiropractic care? Well, most people, and rightfully so, are going to say, when I'm in pain, hurting, right? Yeah, and chiropractic's great for treating pain. It could be anything from headaches to sinus to neck pain to shoulders, the arms, elbows, extremities, the middle back, the lower back, hips, sciatica, all sorts of joints. So almost any pain. I won't say every pain because there's obviously pains that we can't take care of in chiropractic, but a lot of pains that people deal with can be helped with chiropractic care. And that's a great thing, and we have great results and things. I have great success with it too. When's another time that you should get care? How about if you don't have pain? Do you need chiropractic care then? Well, unfortunately, a fair number of folks think, well, if I don't have pain, I'm fine, I'm good. That's not always true, because pain is a symptom. It's the last thing you feel and the first thing to go away. So even though it's improved and you're feeling better, the problem that caused it, the pinched nerve, is still there. So that's why we continue to check the spine, adjust, correct, strengthen, so that things don't come back. Because by the time the pain hits you, the problem's been going on. So that's why we talk about maintenance care. When we've taken a patient through a treatment plan, they've done well, they've gotten the results they're looking for, then we'll always recommend to them, maintenance care. It could be every 2 weeks, once a month, whatever fits in for you. And this will help take care of the little things that we do to ourselves every day. You think about it. What do you do to yourself day to day, week to week? It's summertime or springtime now. We're going to be working in the yard, so people are out working in the gardens and yards. They're hurting themselves. They're doing things. You have little falls that happen throughout the days and the weeks. Things you do just taking care of your house, your children, activities. And so it's important to help keep that spine adjusted, take care of those little problems, prevent things from coming back, because over time they will slide back, and it just keeps your nervous system functioning at its maximum. That keeps your body healthy, and it keeps you vitality. Because patients, when they come to us, they're not paying us to get rid of pain. Yes, that's what brings their attention. What they're paying us for is getting back their life, getting back their quality of life, because the pain will prevent you from doing things. If it's been there long enough, which for a lot of patients it has, most people who come to us have had problems going from months to years, and they've been putting up with it, and it's affected their life. They're maybe not able to play with their kids. It's affected their job and their performance there. They're not sleeping well. They have no energy. Maybe they're not working out and exercising. They're not losing weight the way they want to be. And they're not happy, and it just goes on and on of things that can occur to us day to day. So you're paying to get your life back. And that's the most valuable thing you can have too. And that's what we're here to help patients with. So that's why we always stress maintenance care also, because it's such a good benefit to keep yourself tuned up. I get adjusted every couple of weeks minimum, and then sometimes more frequently depending on what I got going on. And it keeps me tuned up and feeling good, because the job of taking care of patients, it's physical. And there's lots of wear and tear, and I do things on myself, around my house and yard, just like everybody else does, no different. And I think so. I have issues pop up that I need to take care of, because I know if I don't, it just gets worse. So that's why maintenance care is so important. Another thing, questions sometimes our patients ask me is, they'll call up and say, oh, I've got really bad neck pain. I don't know if I can come in today. And I'm like sort of banging your head against the wall, because yes, that's when you should come in, because you do have pain. We can change how we do things to make it a little more comfortable, not a strain on you as much, and you'll do much better, and you'll get better quicker. Because it's no different than if you go to the dentist, you've been taking care of your teeth, brushing your teeth, and you go in for your checkup, he says, ain't no cavities. You're not going to go home and then all of a sudden just stop brushing your teeth or flossing or everything, because if you do, you're going to have problems. Same thing with chiropractic care. You get yourself adjusted, you get taken care of, you're feeling better. It doesn't make sense to let it all just slowly fall apart again and go right back to where you started. And the investment's worth your time and effort to get your life back. So if you ever think that, oh, I've got something going on, or I can't do this, or because it hurts too much, no, that's when you need to be here, because that's what we're going to help you with and get you through that quicker too. So, but if you ever have questions, always to call us at 479-667-5053. Check us out at the website, ozarkchiropractic.com. Like us on Facebook, share the videos, tell others, because that's what we're here for. We're going to help our communities be the best they can be and the healthiest we can be. We need your help and such. So I want to thank you all for your day. I hope you have a great rest day. It's Easter this weekend, so everybody have a good Easter weekend with family. And Take care, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.